Hey everyone, welcome to Litex Tech Support Media. Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account. Whether you're taking a break from social media, concerned about privacy, or just ready to move on, I've got you covered. It's a simple process and I will walk you through each step. This process is the same for Android and iPhone users, so do not worry if you have an Android phone or an iPhone because the app is the same for both of them. And if you also want to delete your Facebook account and your Instagram account, the tutorials will pop up on the screen at the end of this video, and also you have the links down below in the description of the video. Let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app and make sure you've logged in into the account you want to delete. How do you know you are in the account you want to delete? Well, I'm on the newsfeed page as you can see right now. I will press on the profile icon from the bottom right, and here you can see your name on the top. If you want to select another profile, just press on your name and here you can see all your accounts. However, if you want to delete it, just press on the three lines from the top right, and now settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, under account, you should see account one more time. Press on it, and at the bottom is deactivate or delete account. I will press on it. Delete account permanently. You can choose between deactivation or deletion. I will just want to delete it. Select a reason. I'm leaving it temporarily. Another reason, I have multiple accounts. However, I will just select this one and press continue. And if you want to download your data, you can request to download it. I don't care about it, so I will just continue. Yes, this is the last time you have to press on continue. Now you have to type your password and your account will start a termination process which lasts for 30 days. For 30 days, your account will be deactivated, and if you don't log in your account in this 30-day period of time, then after these 30 days will pass, your account will be permanently deleted. Guys, I really hope I help you to delete your TikTok account. If you want to delete your Facebook account or your Instagram account, the tutorial should pop up on the screen already, and you also have the links down in the description of the video. Don't forget to smash the like button, a comment will be much appreciated, and I really hope you have the best day you can possibly get.